Some of the spots I go to. This is a real good spot. Westminster. Probably my choice is the best Mediterranean place.
Yeah, the chicken breast, if you cook it
Hands
over,
down.
it gets dry.
When you cook it and keep it, then it's still dry, you know. But it's healthy.
It's healthy, yeah.
It's not healthy.
Yeah, it's healthy. How the kids doing? Your boy, he's getting big, huh? Is he
It's one of the
talking?
owners right here, one of the
Is he
twins.
talking?
What's going on, brother? How you doing?
Okay.
Just doing my, YouTuber, so I'm just filming you. I know you got the best Mediterranean food.
Oh, it's very good.
Oh yeah, in Orange County. Well, I can say in LA.
They're twins. They're from Bethlehem. They're
Right,
owners.
right, yeah.
They
Yeah.
make all this stuff. Yeah,
Yeah,
fresh.
it's great.
All this is fresh. Yeah, and everything is very good, healthy.
Definitely. They got good prices too.
Yeah, it's good food.
When the
healthy,
economy
yeah.
going bad, inflation.
So purple cabbage and
What do I get? What am I getting? Is that the right here? The mix? No, right there. The yeah. Let's do that.
Yeah, that one is marinated.
Get
That
also
one there is marinated. That's the better one. And this one's plain, but I like the marinated.
Right.
They marinate it and
Yeah.
stuff like the meat, like you were saying.
Right.
Very good.
And no rice.
no rice. Do you want fries instead or salads?
I can do some fries on the side, and that's pretty much it. That's it.
For yours, do you want rice?
So everybody want to know,
What do you do?
what do you marinate your meat with? The chicken.
The meat?
What does it marinate
It's
with?
special.
Is it,
special shawarma?
Okay.
It's like seasoned, a special bag, and then with the vinegar, oil, vegetable oil, and then salt.
Man, that's the
But
best.
the specialty.
I know a specialty you guys from.
Exactly, yeah.
Right. It's the
Is it
man.
first time?
No, I've been here plenty of times. Yeah, this is my first time. I'm gonna market this and put this on YouTube for because I had to come back and put this on YouTube so people can come. So you have more people come.
Which one you try the shawarma, beef or chicken?
The chicken.
The chicken, you like the chicken?
I always like the chicken, that seasoning, man. That marinade. It's nobody else is have it like that. They just do a char. They just char it,
Yeah,
and that's
try
it.
next time the kebab. Kebab is very good.
Yeah. All right. Thank you. She's eating the kebab. And I got the chicken shawarma. Oh, man, it's a lot. Too much. And a drink. All this for $23.